Huawei Nova 12i, the latest addition to Huawei's Nova series smartphone lineup. Join me as we explore every aspect of this device to see what it brings to the table. Let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. As you open the box, you're greeted with the sleek and stylish Huawei Nova 12i in a stunning green color. Alongside the phone, you'll find essential accessories including a SIM ejector pin, USB-C cable, silicone case, and the impressive 40W charger. The Huawei Nova 12i boasts a sleek design featuring a 6.7-inch IPS LCD display with a punch-hole design. This display offers a resolution of 1080 by 2388 pixels and a smooth 90Hz refresh rate, providing users with an immersive viewing experience. The slim bezels and lightweight build add to the overall appeal of the device. Under the hood, the Nova 12i is powered by the Snapdragon 680 chipset, paired with 8GB LPDDR for XRAM and an option for 3GB RAM expansion. This combination ensures smooth performance, whether you're multitasking or gaming. While it may not be the most powerful option for high-end gaming, it strikes a balance between performance and affordability. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Nova 12i's impressive camera setup. With a dual camera setup on the back, including a 108MP main lens and a 2MP macro camera, users can capture stunning photos with ease. The 8MP selfie shooter also delivers decent results for selfies and video calls, making it a versatile choice for capturing memories. Battery life and charging. One of the standout features of the Nova 12i is its massive 5000 mAh battery, coupled with 40W Huawei Supercharge support. This ensures long-lasting usage and quick top-ups on the go, eliminating the need to constantly worry about battery life. Software and additional features. Running on EMUI 14, Huawei's own skin on top of Android 12, the Nova 12i offers a range of features and a user-friendly interface. From customizable themes to a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for enhanced security, the device ticks all the boxes in terms of functionality. However, it's worth noting that it lacks features like FM radio and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Price and verdict. Priced at 949 dirhams in Dubai for the 8GB IM plus 256GB internal storage variant, the Huawei Nova 12i offers excellent value for money. With its focus on display, camera capabilities, and impressive battery life, it's a solid choice for anyone in the market for a new smartphone. To wrap things up, the Huawei Nova 12i delivers a stellar smartphone experience, catering to the needs of users who prioritize performance, photography, and battery life. While it may have some shortcomings, such as the absence of expandable storage and a headphone jack, its strengths far outweigh any minor drawbacks. If you're looking for a reliable mid-range smartphone, the Nova 12i is definitely worth considering. Thank you for tuning in to our comprehensive review of the Huawei Nova 12i. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for the latest updates in the world of technology.